Hello and good afternoon. We are here with all the important topics right before the U.S. stock market rings the bell. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co, TSMC, has experienced a significant surge in its market valuation, securing a position among the world's 10 most valuable companies, a status not seen since 2020. This resurgence is attributed to a 14% rally in its stock price, driven by the optimistic outlook on artificial intelligence, AI, elevating its market capitalization to a record high before a slight decline. Analysts from prestigious financial institutions, including Morgan Stanley and JP Morgan Chase & Company, anticipate further growth for TSMC, fueled by increasing revenues from AI-related products and strong pricing power. This positive sentiment is mirrored in the options market, where a notable decrease in the put-to-call ratio indicates a bullish outlook from investors. TSMC's recent financial performance, with a 9.4% revenue increase in the early part of the year, underscores the impact of high-end chip demand from AI developments, even as it navigates potential challenges from the slowdown in iPhone sales. The company's ongoing international expansion is also seen as a strategic move to mitigate geopolitical risks. Nvidia is currently embroiled in a copyright lawsuit filed by authors Brian Keene, Abdi Nazemian, and Stuart Onan, who allege that the tech giant used their copyrighted works without permission to train its Nemo AI platform. The lawsuit, initiated in San Francisco federal court, highlights a dataset comprising about 196,640 books, including works by the plaintiffs, which was reportedly used by Nvidia to enhance Nemo's language simulation capabilities. This legal action follows Nvidia's removal of the dataset in response to copyright infringement reports, an act the authors interpret as an admission of guilt. The lawsuit aims to secure damages for U.S.-based authors whose works have contributed to training Nvidia's AI models over the past 3 years. This case adds to the growing litigation landscape surrounding generative AI technologies, with Nvidia's stock having surged almost 600% since the end of 2022, fueled by investor enthusiasm for AI's potential. The U.S. government has called on UnitedHealth Group to expedite payments to healthcare providers following a disruptive cyberattack on its Change Healthcare unit, emphasizing the need for the insurer to mitigate the financial strain on providers resulting from delayed claims and payments. In an open letter, the Departments of Labor and Health and Human Services urged not only UnitedHealth, but also other insurers and healthcare entities to take proactive measures in alleviating the adverse impacts of this cyberattack on the healthcare system, especially on critical safety net providers. The cyberattack, executed by the Black Cat ransomware group, has significantly hindered operations across the U.S. healthcare landscape, affecting electronic pharmacy refills and insurance transactions. UnitedHealth anticipates restoring its disrupted services by mid-March, as the government steps in to accelerate Medicare and Medicaid payments to support affected hospitals. This situation highlights the broader implications of cybersecurity breaches on national healthcare operations and the urgent need for resilient response strategies. This is all we have for you today. We are MEXEM TV, and we will be here next week, same place, same time. Goodbye.